book of Joel, chapter 3. For look, in those days and at that time when I turn back the captivity of Yehudah and Jerusalem, then I shall gather all nations and bring them down to the valley of Jehoshaphat. And I shall enter into judgment with them there for my people, my inheritance, Yahshar'el, whom they have scattered among the nations, and they have divided up my land. And they have cast lots for my people, and have given a young man for a whore, and sold a girl for wine, and drank it. And also, what are you to me, O Sor and Sidon, and all the coasts of Philistia? Are you repaying me? And if you are repaying me, I would swiftly and speedily return your reward on your own head. For you have taken my silver and my gold, and brought my treasures into your temples, and the people of Yehudah and the people of Jerusalem you have sold to the sons of YAHUAH to remove them far from their borders. See, I am stirring them up out of the place to which you have sold them, and I shall return on your own head what you have done, and shall sell your sons and your daughters into the hand of the people of Yehudah, and they shall sell them to the Shebates, to a nation far off. For YAHUAH has spoken. Proclaim this among the nations. Prepare for battle. Wake up the mighty men. Let all the men of battle draw near. Let them come up. Beat your plowshares into swords, and your pruning hooks into spears. Let the weak say, I am strong. Hasten and come, all you nations, and gather together all around. O YAHUAH, let your mighty men come down here. Let the nations be aroused, and come up to the valley of Jehoshaphat. For there I shall sit to judge all the nations on every side. Pick up the sickle, for the harvest is grown ripe. Come, go down, for the winepress is filled, the vats overflow, for their evil is great. Crowds, crowds in the valley of decision, for the day of YAHUAH is near in the valley of decision. Sun and moon shall become dark, and stars shall withdraw their brightness. And YAHUAH shall roar from Tsiyon, and give forth his voice from Jerusalem. And the heavens and the earth shall shake, but YAHUAH shall be a refuge for his people, and a stronghold for the children of Yisrael. Then you shall know that I am YAHUAH, your Elohiym, dwelling in Tsiyon, my set-apart mountain. And Jerusalem shall be set apart, and strangers shall not pass through her again. And it shall be in that day that the mountains drip with new wine, and the hills flow with milk. And all the streams of Yehudah shall be flooded with water, and a fountain flow from the house of YAHUAH, and water from the Wadi Shittim. Mitzrayim shall become a ruin, and Edom a ruin, a wilderness, because of the violence done to the people of Yehudah, whose innocent blood they shed in their land. But Yehudah shall dwell forever, and Jerusalem to all generations. And I shall avenge their blood which I have not avenged. And YAHUAH shall be dwelling in Tsiyon.